Hey students, Mr. Scribble here talking about mean, median, mode, and range today. So this is a review from 5th and 4th grade materials. So I'm going to be going over one of the problems that you have on your assignment. So if you're watching the video, because it'll make your work a little bit easier. Alright, so first one we're going to do is mean. So I have the set of data here. We have 2, 3, 4, 8, 4, 3. Alright, so to find the mean, we have to add everything together. So 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 8 plus 4 plus 3. I'm going to do that on Desmos because it makes the work so much easier. So we get 24 as our answer. All right, and then if you remember from the other day, to find mean, we have to divide our sum, what we got when we added all of them together, by the total numbers. So there was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. So we have to divide that by 6, and we get 4. All right. So our mean is 4. All right. Next, median. For those of you that do not remember, median is the middle number. Now, the only real trick, well, 2 tricks to median is, first, you need to put your numbers in order from least to greatest. So I'm going to do that real quick. 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 8. All right, and next you find the middle number. So let's see, we have 6 numbers. So let's see, this 3 isn't the middle because there's 2 on this side and 3 on this side, so that's not the middle. This 4 isn't the middle because then there's 3 on the left, 2 on the right. So the middle is actually between the 3 and the 4. Now, if there was just one number in the middle, that's it. Just pick that number. But since this one has 2 that are in the middle, we have to add those 2 numbers together and then find the average. So we add the 2 numbers together, divide by 2, and we get 3.5. All right. Next, the mode. The mode is the number that appears the most often. Now, the mode can have it could have 2 types of, well, 3 really, 3 answers. It could be a single number, it could be multiple numbers, or there could be no mode. So let's say if none of these numbers repeat it, we would write no mode. All right. If only one of these numbers repeated, we would pick that. Or if there's multiple numbers that repeat the same amount, we pick both of those. So let's see. We have 1, 2, 2 3s, 2 4s, and 1 8. So the mode is 3 and 4 because both repeat 2 times. Both repeat twice. Now, if the 3 was there 3 times and 4 was there twice, yeah, they both repeat it, but you'd pick the 3 because it appeared more than the 4. All right. Finally, the range is the difference between the biggest and smallest number. So we've already done the median. We put them in order from least to greatest. So we see that the 8 is our largest number. Our 2 is our smallest number. So we do 8 minus 2, and we get 6, and that is our range. So that is what you're doing today. You're finding mean, median, mode, and range. It's all review, so it should be pretty straightforward. If you need help, always refer back to this video. Look at the notes I've attached. Shoot me an email. Whatever you need, just let me know, and I'll be there to help you. All right. Take care.